Hello everyone, this is Komal Tijare. Welcome to the SYBA Compulsory English course. The title of your course is English for Empowerment and the subject code for this semester is A31601. The first chapter that we will be studying as part of your course is titled The Global Novel. The Global Novel is actually a blog written about a panel discussion which was held at the Jaipur Literature Festival in 2016, where a group of authors gathered together to talk about the novel form and to try and analyze what has made the novel the most popular form of our age. I request you to please watch this video on YouTube by searching for the words The Global Novel JLF 2016. I can also share the link with you via WhatsApp. Do watch the video and come up with your own ideas about the novel. Why the novel is the most popular form of our age? What is it about the novel that makes us enjoy it so much? Do let me know in the next session what observations you have made. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the session. In the last class, we discussed that the title of your paper for this semester is English for Empowerment. We will try to understand what exactly the word empowerment means. At the heart of this word is the word power, with the prefix "m" and the suffix "ment". So what exactly does power mean? And the dictionary meaning of the word power will tell you that it is the ability or the capacity to do something or to act perhaps in a particular way. So if power means to act in a particular way or to do something, the ability to do something, then what exactly does power mean? And the prefix "m" actually means to give, to grant something, to give someone something, or to put into something. N, M is the same as N in Latin, which means to put into. And therefore, when you say empower, you're talking about power being put into someone, power being given to someone. And therefore, empower means to give someone the ability or to give someone the capacity to do something. And therefore, a lot of times when we think of the word empowerment, we are also thinking about someone giving us power, someone giving us certain rights. However, in modern times, in contemporary times, the meanings associated with empowerment or the idea to empower oneself are slightly different. Today, we don't only understand empowerment as power that is to be given to you, but also empowerment as power that is supposed to be rightfully earned by you. It is to be gained by you. Because that which is given can also be taken away, but that which is earned, that which is gained through effort, is yours to keep. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. In the last session, we discussed that the title of your paper is English for Empowerment. When you hear the word empowerment, there are other words that come to your mind. With empowerment comes the idea of freedom, independence. Some might think of empowerment as equality. Some might define it as the ability to speak for yourself, the ability to express yourself. Some say empowerment comes with change and transformation of oneself. Some think of empowerment in terms of income, financial stability. Some might say empowerment is strength to get power. Some say empowerment is equal rights. Some might think of empowerment as safety, security. Some might also say that empowerment means ambition, to be ambitious and to be able to achieve those various ambitions. Some say empowerment is education. Education can be empowering, yes. Some might also say that empowerment is power. And while all of these are true, empowerment can actually be summarized in two words for me. One is choice, the ability to choose is empowerment. And two is responsibility, the ability to be responsible for yourself and for your choices is empowerment. Thank you. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the session. Today, we will be discussing the global novel. The global novel is actually a blog written about a panel discussion which took place at the Jaipur Literature Festival in 2016. The panelists at the session include Colum Turbin, who is an Irish novelist, Margaret Atwood, a Canadian novelist, Alexander Hemon, who is also often referred to as Sasha, who is a Bosnian American novelist, David Grossman, an Israeli novelist, Suleiman Adonia, a British Sudanese Eritrean novelist, and Sanjeev Sahota, a British Indian novelist. The panel discussion opens with the question when and how did the novel become the most popular literary form? Turbin initiates this discussion and he talks about the power of the novel and associates it with the hybrid origins of the novel, by which he means that there is no single way to read or write a novel, that the novel can be read and understood as well as written in multiple ways, and that the novel includes within itself features of other literary forms as well, like it can include monologue and dialogue from theatre, confessions like from religious texts, as well as poetry which is written in rhythm. And therefore, the novel becomes a form which includes many matters within its structure without excluding anything, and that, according to Turbin, has contributed to the popularity of the genre. The discussion is then taken forward by Margaret Atwood, who talks about the origin of the novel form. She says that right from the first emergence, the first time the novels came into being, there has been an ocean of bad writing, an ocean of popular forms of writing, pornographic content, penny dreadfuls, erotic fiction. And that has always existed, according to her, right from the times the Gutenberg printing press was set up. We somehow, however, only remember the masterpieces, we only remember the classics from that period. And we look back at those times and think that the standards somehow today have declined. Uh, Atwood disagrees and she says they haven't. There has always been an ocean of bad writing alongside the masterpieces, just as it continues today. That's it for today. Thank you.